Hello and welcome to Salesforce Development Lesson 12. Today we're going to be discussing how to import data. So in particular, we are going to be looking at importing airport data. As you can see here, there's currently no airport data. There was airport data before. I deleted it so that we have a clean slate to import our airport data. So let's get going. So the first thing you have to do is you have to actually find the data. Best place to find it is I did a Google search to list the US airports CSV file, because we need a CSV file to do our import. CSV, if you're not aware, it stands for comma separated version. It's a comma separated file of records that you can use to import data. So let's go to our airport, and here you can see there's a link. If you click on that link, it will automatically download the airport.csv that has all our airport data. So let's go, and I have that data here that I've already kind of opened in Excel. What I had to do here is I had to create a filter, because this actually imported more like these minor airports that I'm really not interested in. I'm really just interested in the main airport. So what I did is I created a filter. So I click on sort and filter. Here's a filter here. And let's see, where are we? Oh, this is already our filter. I believe this is already filtered out. But let me make 100% sure here. So we'll sort and filter. We will filter. And what we want to do is we want to filter by the IATA code. So as you can see here, I don't want select all. So, well, I'll select all for now, but what I really want to do is I want to eliminate the blanks. That's really what I want to do. So here we go. We are doing that. I don't want to clear the filter, so now all my data is filtered. The next step is to copy this data and what I could do is I'm going to create another worksheet here, and then I'm going to paste the values, and that's it. I believe that should do it. Alright, so what I'm hoping for is I'm hoping to get the data, just everything that has an IATA code, and I believe that's what we got. So if you look down here, there's only 2,040 records, and they all have IATA codes. And that's what I want to make sure I import. So those are the 3-letter abbreviations of the airport. I want that. So now what I can do here is I can do a save. So I'm going to do file, save as. It's already a CSV. This is kind of a filtered CSV file. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and save this. So I'm going to overwrite this file here. And I want to replace it with the current, to make sure I replace it with the current sheet. So we'll go ahead and replace. Alright, I want to click OK. So hopefully that should do it. Now the one way to check to make sure that we actually did this correctly, I'm going to go ahead and go to my Visual Studio. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can open that file in here. So I'll do File Open, Visual Studio, and then what we can do is let's go to our Downloads directory, because this is where we have all the files. we pull this up, hopefully there's only about 2040. Yep. So that looks correct. And then these are this is the file header that has all the field names on there. Okay, so I think we're good here. So the next step is to go back to Salesforce, and what we generally want to do is we want to go to Setup, and in Setup we're going to just type in Import, and we want to do the Data Import Wizard. So we click on that, and this Data Import Wizard allows us to import data into Salesforce. So we click Launch Wizard. It's a custom object, so we want to click on Custom Object, and we want to click on Airports, because this is the custom object we want to import our file. Add new records, CSV. So I'm going to drag in that filtered CSV file in here. This is okay. Oh yeah, we're not going to match by anything. We're not going to worry about record owners and all that. So we're just going to click Next. All right, airport name. This is not what we want. We want the airport name to be that. We want to cancel that. The airport name is going to be the full name instead. All right, because that's going to tie to the full name. Let's see. IATA code. This is where we want to pick the airport name to go in there. And then we have the city, the state is over here. Here's a couple examples of state. So we'll do that. We can't do zip code, but we need to do the IATA code, which is the identifier. Let's see, where's the IATA code? There we go. Oh, yes, we did an airport name, city, state. Zip is not available in this file, so I can't put the zip code in here. But for now, that's good enough. We're good there. So we're going to click on Next. Then we're going to start the load, start the import. And we're going to click OK. All right, so this shows the import. Looks like 2,039 records, which is about what we were expecting. 0 records failed, so we should be able to go here in our list view and do a refresh. So let's go ahead and refresh, and there you go. Here we have all of our airports. We have our 3-letter abbreviation. I'm going to check on one of my local airports, which should be BDL, Bradley. Yep, Bradley International. It's in Hartford, Connecticut. Perfect. Okay, so I know that works. The other one I want to check on is SFO, San Francisco. Let's see, San Francisco. There we go. Yep, San Francisco's in here too. So we have all the airports that we're expecting, and we were able to load this using that CSV file using the Data Import Wizard. Okay, again, if you enjoyed this content and want to have others be able to find this content, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and thank you. Until next time.